Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so in this video, I want to focus on the US dollar. Obviously, you saw the title, right? US dollar about to see basically a pullback or more downside. And the reason why I say that, the last few weeks, I've done some videos talking about how the US dollar, this is the US dollar we're looking at right now. If I take everything off the screen here and I open up, say, my weekly chart here for a minute, let me bring everything back up here for a minute. Let me just delete this here. I was saying that the US dollar has been in this big sort of rising wedge through here. And because due to the fact that we haven't had any very big pullback, we've only been little stair step, run up, little pullback and a continuation move, we're getting to this sort of triple top sort of formation level through here on the US dollar, that is. We're rising and rising and rising. And now what's happened on the weekly chart, which is very interesting, you can actually see a lot more on the daily chart, right? See this daily chart here? That's that weekly trend line there. It stayed in it, and now look what happened. Interesting, right? Look at this here. It made a what? It made a higher low, equal low, higher low, higher low, lower high, breaking now out of that level there, which is a very significant move for US dollar there. So as you can see on the weekly chart as well too, this is the weekly chart now, breaking out and down. So we may get a little bit more of a retracement up here and back up to test it again. But ultimately, from what I'm seeing here, I do see at least a 50 to at least 60% retracement level on the US dollar through here. So it's really interesting. It's really interesting to see what's happening with gold right now. Gold is taken off a lot. But US dollar hasn't really moved that much, has it? And that's why I like the correlation with it. People say if US dollar does this, gold does this. Not necessarily, right? Gold's taken off and US dollar has just pretty much done nothing. So that's what's happening right now. We're now getting just a little bit of a pullback through here, but the significance breaking out of this rising wedge. Let me delete this off here. The significance is breaking out of this rising wedge here again. And because it's been rising very strongly, we're due for some sort of a pullback anyway, right? Because how the markets work, remember, if we go for a nice run, we may go for a nice run, a little pullback, and then a nice run, a little pullback, nice run. Guess what's likely to happen? At least a 50% pullback, right? Before we start to do what it's going to do. So that's why I say I have a target. And using the UUP here, because I can't use the US, I can't bring up the US dollar on this TC2000 platform I use. So I use the UUP, all right? So that's what I'm looking at there right now. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think is going to happen in the US dollar. Do you think we're going to break up to new highs, or do you think it's done, it's doomed from here? Hey traders, I'm giving away free access to the brand new Breakthrough Master Trading course. I'm giving away free complete access. This is what I want you to do right now. Go to johnsfreegift.com to get access to this right now. See, in this Breakthrough Master Trading course, here's what you're going to get. The very first 2 videos is based on the top deadly mistakes and the 10K per month plan. This is based on the foundations to your success. Videos number 3, 4, and 5 are all based on helping you become a chart reading master. How do you actually read the charts properly? Videos number 6 and 7 are 2 amazing, powerful trading systems. Video number 8 and 9 are based on my #1 indicator and millionaire trade management. Video number 10 is based on the mind frame or the mindset of a successful trader. And video number 11 is the final step. But I'm running this as a bit of a special. I'm giving away complete free access. So go to johnsfreegift.com or click on the link around this page. Go right now. Put your email address right in here right now and get free access to this breakthrough trading course right now. So go to johnsfreegift.com and I'll see you over there.